Next, you're going to open up your Photoshop file. Easiest way to do that is if your downloads are showing right here in your Chrome window, you can just double click on the PSD file. So in this case, mine's called Purple Monster, and this will launch Photoshop with your monster body open. There we go. That's the first step. The second step is we need to open up the monster parts JPEG. To do that, we're going to go up here to where it says Photoshop, excuse me, where it says File, Open. And now you have to find where your JPEG is. It's quite possible showing up in your downloads. I know for a fact that mine's in a weird folder, so I'm just going to jump back and choose your JPEG and click on Open. Okay, you'll notice that's what you see on your screen now, and your purple monster has hidden. Your monster body is over here. You'll see there are different tabs. So I have monster parts, and that's a JPEG, and purple monster, and that's a Photoshop document.